Welcome to 12665 Highway 200 in Sidney, Montana. Set on over 1.5 acres, this unique property offers the space and privacy of country living while remaining conveniently accessible. Mature trees create a natural buffer around the home, shop, and outbuildings, while the home's position on the lot provides additional separation from the adjacent highway. Enter into a welcoming foyer that flows seamlessly into a spacious living area, perfect as a living room or family room. Rich hardwood flooring adds warmth and timeless charm, while the thoughtful layout creates a comfortable space for both relaxing and entertaining. Just beyond the living area, the dining space offers a welcoming setting for everyday meals and special gatherings. Its convenient location creates an easy flow between the living room and kitchen, making it ideal for both casual dining and entertaining guests. The first bedroom offers a comfortable and inviting retreat, with a layout that's perfect for restful nights and everyday living. Whether used as a primary bedroom, guest room, or home office, it provides a versatile space to fit your needs. Just across the hallway, the first full bathroom offers comfort and convenience with easy access from the nearby bedrooms and living areas. Located just beside the first bathroom, the second bedroom offers a bright and inviting space with a comfortable layout. The pass-through kitchen offers a functional layout with durable laminate countertops and classic metal cabinets that add timeless vintage charm. Conveniently located next to the dining area, it comes equipped with an oven range and refrigerator, making everyday living both comfortable and practical. Adjacent to the kitchen is a flexible space that can easily be tailored to your needs. Whether you envision a laundry area, additional storage, or another practical use, this versatile room offers possibilities. Before the primary bedroom is a flexible bonus room, perfect for a bedroom or your own custom use. The primary bedroom serves as a comfortable private retreat, offering a spacious layout with plenty of room for your furnishings. It's a relaxing space designed for rest and everyday comfort. The spacious primary bedroom includes a private and suite bathroom, creating a comfortable retreat with added convenience and everyday privacy. As we leave the primary bedroom and head outside, downstairs you'll find a partially finished basement, offering flexible space for a bedroom, home office, or hobby room. Beyond the home, underground sprinklers, multiple outbuildings, and a detached garage shop with a private suite add even more value and versatility. Book a visit today and see the potential this property has to offer.